We are back to discuss another issue users are experiencing with their Xbox console. I am talking about the Xbox error code hexadecimal 0x80832003. There's a temporary network problem.
So, if you are also confronting the same issue,
then it's worth watching this video. Method 1. Check the Xbox status. You may get that there's a temporary network problem in Xbox if the service is down. When the Xbox service goes down, it creates issues while signing in and playing the game. So, before applying any other solution, make sure Xbox service is up, and if the service is down, then you can do nothing except waiting for the server to get back to normal. Method 2. Hard restart your Xbox controller. First, restart your Xbox console. Next, press the Xbox button to open the guide. Now, ensure that after pressing the Xbox button, the guide opens on the other side of the screen of the console. Choose the setting option, then, choose Restart Console. Finally, click on the Yes button to restart the console. Method 3. Power cycle your console. First, press the Xbox button to turn off the console. Keep pressing the Xbox button for around 10 seconds to let it turn off completely. Once the console is turned off, unplug all of the power cables from the Xbox. Then, wait for at least 10 to 15 seconds. Now, plug the power cables back to the Xbox console. Lastly, press the Xbox button to turn on your Xbox. Method 4. Make sure the security info in Microsoft account is correct and up to date. Log in to your Microsoft account's security page. Now, check your alternative email, phone number, security question and its answers. If any of this information is wrong or outdated, then you have to update these details. Remember, you are only required to update the outdated, incorrect security detail. So, don't delete any information. In the end, make sure to enter at least 2 security information in your Microsoft account and 1 phone number, email address.